Aluminum window machine maintenance in winter. Winter is coming. Low temperature conditions. Equipment is prone to various problems. Sign and sorted out a set of window machine maintenance solution in winter for reference. 1. Clean up the aluminum chips on the machine after work every day, especially the transmission parts and active parts, such as cylinder, guide rail, work panel, etc. 2. Check the screws in each part regularly to prevent loosening, resulting in accuracy error and safety accidents. 3. Choose oily cutting fluid, and reduce the proportion of water appropriately. 4. Before working, check the air circuit and solenoid valve body of the machine to see if there is any icing, and ensure that the air circuit is smooth before using the equipment. 5. In order to avoid the icing of the air path, the air compressor must discharge water every day, replace the filter element, etc. 6. Check whether the switch is normal, and the wire is aging every day, and replace it immediately if there is any problem. 7. Take the aluminum profile gently to prevent knock against, resulting in equipment damage and error. 8. It is forbidden to wear gloves and scarves to prevent safety accidents.